welcome back, guys. This will be more of a how-to video. And really, most of my videos are how-to. This will be more of like how to fix this cover video than it is tractor video, like you guys used to watch. I'm trying to figure out that. Why you guys come here? You guys will be able to see what I can do. So I got my abrasive wheel from my friends over at Benchmark Abrasives. Pretty cool. See, I tried to take the jacket off because I have a hoodie on too, but I don't know, it's pretty cold. It ain't centered at all. Okay, that's cast aluminum. Okay. I've set in my welder. Remove that. Gotta watch the temperature because this is cast aluminum. I am gonna make it with steel wire. People are probably gonna go, yeah, what are you doing? Yeah, I know. But like I said, this is gonna be get the cover fixed. Not everyone has a TIG machine. I mean, my 140, I could run TIG. Not bad, but do have the machine. Running all 35 wire. I don't have anything to hold that up. I use like a really thick apron. Something like this. Nothing far. Probably the best that's gonna get. Okay. Turn my heater on so I don't end up blowing hopefully the fluid in here somehow. Let's see. Okay. That's what we want. even sticking. No, it's not even sticking. I could stick weld it. Could do that, but I'm gonna go try to weld it on. That ain't doing jack crap. Now, that could be because I didn't clean it off good enough. So I'm gonna soak this cover down, just like this. Just soak it down just like that. Soak down all the pieces. They do make a welding rod for welding cast aluminum, and I can run stick off that, or I do have that's the thing with any metal, really. You want it clean as possible. Sometimes on steel you can get away with not having it cleaned all the way, but on aluminum, I've never seen a successful weld not cleaning aluminum. Where it goes right there. Then this piece goes right here. Now this piece goes in there like that. And then this piece goes somewhat like that. That's how it's set up, but I don't know. I was hoping for a better result today, but I have to stick weld it, or TIG it, or spool gun it. But I mean, I really needed to find the roll lock from a die grinder, because the roll lock's better than the big grinder. But yeah, just need prep, and I'll try again, but I don't think it's gonna work. And also, I think with cast is, once it heats up, it can start to crack in different spots, and that's what I think I was hearing, the popping sound. So, but I don't know. I mean, I don't know. But I want to thank everyone for stopping by. This is going to be a shorter video than usual, but if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and share this video. And until next time, guys, catch you on the next one.